Hello everyone, welcome back to the standard third subject math. So today we will be starting a new chapter and a very interesting chapter number 7, time goes on. Let's see. So time goes on, ulta pulta time. This is a story with a topsy-turvy time. You can see, look at this picture. Let's say, as the sun sets, Sumana wakes up. What a lovely evening. She washes her face fast in 2 hours and runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few months. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out, but before she can blink her eyes, in a week, a cat jumps onto the tree. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Doom, doom. In 2 days, it is on the ground. Oh, how sad! The mango is still not fully ripe. It needed 1 more year to become sweet. Suddenly, Sumana's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner." Wasn't that funny? Yes, you must have guessed that the colored words are wrong. You can see here these colored words are wrong. This sets evening, hours, months, week, days, year. So these colored words are wrongly written here. Choose the correct word from the box given below. You can see here this box and write it next to the wrong word. So you have to write here the correct one. So let's see, as the sun sets. So here it should be rises. So write here R-I-S-E-S. So as the sun rises, Sumana wakes up. What a lovely, instead of evening, morning will come. So write here morning. She washes her face fast into, it should be minutes. So 2 minutes. So write here minutes, M-I-N-U-T-E-S, and runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few, here months written. So here last few days will come. So write here days. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out, but before she can blink her eyes, in a week is written. So in a moment, M-O-M-E-N-T, in a moment, a cat jumps on the tree. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Doom, doom. Then in 2 days written, so it would be in 2 seconds, it is on the ground. What? Mango. So write here in 2 seconds, S-E-C-O-N-D-S. In 2 seconds, it is on the ground. Oh, how sad! The mango still not fully ripe. It needed 1 more year written here. So it should be week. So write here W-E-E-K. So it needed 1 more week to become sweet. So suddenly Sumana's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner," written here. So instead of dinner here, breakfast will come. So write here the spelling of breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Next, how long does it take? Now we need to know how much time do we take to do various things like takes minutes, take hours and take days. Now, have you seen someone knitting a sweater or someone weaving a cloth? Do try to find out from a potter how long it takes to make a pot. Also tell us if you take hours or minutes to have your bath. Think of many different things that can take different times. Make your table as long as you can. You can see here take minutes, takes hours and take days. So in a same way we have to write more things. For example, takes a bath takes minutes, then to boil milk also takes minutes, then takes hours to stitch a shirt, to set cut a school day takes hours, then to knit a sweater, to weave a sari, for banana to become ripe takes days. We have to write here a few more. Let's so you can write here in this yellow box other example. To fill bucket of water takes minutes, then assembly in school also takes minutes, then to prepare tea, to switch on computer, then to switch on fan also takes minutes. So these examples you can write here in this yellow box. Then takes hours to stitch a shirt, to set cut a school day takes hours. Then other example also you can write in this box. To clean the house also take hours, then sunset and sunrise also takes hours, then to play also takes hours. So these examples you can write here. Then takes days to knit a sweater, to weave a sari, and for banana to become ripe also takes days. So you can write here other example also. To do holiday homework also take days, then to learn how to drive a car also takes days, then outstation trip also takes days. Then other examples also you can write here which takes minutes, takes hours and takes days. So this table you have to write in your fair book, and here you have to write example in your textbook also in the given place. So I will send the PDF, so like that you can write. Then next page number 97 open. Think of some other things, some faster and some slower. Make a long list. Now takes seconds. To blink my eyes takes seconds. Then to snap my finger, to gulp my medicine. Then for fruit to fall from a tree also takes seconds. Now other things. So you can write here to throw a ball also takes seconds. Then you can also write like this also, to switch on fan. To switch on fan. So these two example you can write here, which is takes seconds. Then takes months. To grow wheat from seed to big plant takes months. Then to change from summer to winter also takes months. For a baby to come out of its mother's stomach also takes month. Then other examples you can write here. To write a notebook, so to write a notebook, to construct a big house also takes months. So you can write here in your textbook. Then after clap before you catch. So this is the game. Play this game. Throw a stone into the air before you catch it. So first what you have to do, throw a stone into the air, then you have to clap. before you catch it. Now try to clap 2 times before the catch. Now try more claps. How many times can you clap before you catch the stones? So this you have to count. Then ta thai different claps. Clap 2 times and say 1 2. Then clap. Then keep clapping 1 2 1 2 1 2. Like this you have to count and you have to clap. Or you have to say ta thai ta thai ta thai. And also you have to stamp your feet left right left right left right. Now clap with 3 beats 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and you have to say ta thai tut ta thai tut ta thai tut. Can you stamp your feet left right left right left? Then how many of you can speak and stamp at the same time? So this is a simple game. You can play at your home. Okay, so this is a simple game. So in your fair book you have to write this one only. Start from the new page, chapter number 7, time goes on. Then after write this. How long does it take? Okay, I will send you the PDF. So like that you can write in your textbook and you can write in your fair book. Okay, thank you.